have little girl. Yeah. So this is a little book that Jillian likes. It's called Big Fish, Little Fish, and my cousin Sandy sent it, and it's one of Jilly's favorites, isn't it, baby girl? So here we go. Hello, big fish. Hello, the big fish. Hello, big fish. You see the big fish? Yeah. And how about under here? Hello, little fishes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little fishes. Yes, you see the little fishes? Here we go. Big fish, little fish. Okay, here we go. Hello, big cat. Hello, the big cat. Yeah, hello, big cat. Yes. And hello, little kitties. Look at the little kitties. 1, 2, 3, 4 little kitties. Yes, little kitties. There we are. Yeah. Oh, hello, Big Mama Bird. That's Mama's favorite. The Big Mama Bird. See the Big Mama Bird? Ah, yeah, we like the Mama Bird, huh? And under here in the bushes, baby birds. 3 baby birds. Yeah, we like the baby birds, huh? Yeah. There we have it. I'll tell you, this book is just the cutest little thing. Hello, Big Father Bear. Hello, Big Father Bear. Yes, you like that one, don't you? You like that Big Father Bear. Yeah, let's see what's behind here. 2 little bear cubs. Hello, little bear cubs. And a bee. Bzz, bzz. There we have it. All right, almost done. Hello, big elephant. Hello, the big elephant. Yeah. And his long nose. You see the big elephant with his long nose? Or not. And behind here, we have hello, little elephant. Hello, little elephant. Look at that. Hello, little elephant. And see, he's putting the water out of his nose. Just one little elephant with the big ears. There we have it. So Smart. Yes, these are called So Smart books. All right. This has been Jillian's first book. Okay.